Hi guys! Today we're learning how to remove a Zedge theme without uninstalling the app. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from your home screen. Wait for the Settings menu to load completely. This is where all customization options for your phone are available. Once Settings open, scroll down slowly until you find the Wallpaper option. Tap on it to open Wallpaper settings. This section controls your home screen and lock screen appearance. Now, on the wallpaper screen, tap Add New Wallpaper. This will show you different wallpaper options already available on your device. These include system wallpapers and downloaded ones. After opening the wallpaper gallery, select any default or system wallpaper. This step replaces the Zedge theme wallpaper currently applied on your phone. Once selected, proceed to set it. Now apply the selected wallpaper to both home screen and lock screen. This will automatically remove the Zedge theme appearance without uninstalling the app. Your phone will return to its default look, and that's how you can remove a Zedge theme without uninstalling the app. Simply changing your wallpaper resets the theme look on your device. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.